How's it going? It's Rocky. Welcome to the statement review of our $2,000 weekly challenge. It's Friday, January 8th, about 1:54 p.m. As you can see, there's still a bit of a movement, but that's because the futures market, after the pause from 1:15 to 1:30, it keeps going until about 2 p.m. But that's it for today. It doesn't open again until 3 p.m. on Sunday. So for the week, as I mentioned, our goal was to earn a net profit of $2,000. Unfortunately for this week, it was a bit of a rough trading because I was not following what I should be doing. I based two big trades basically that caused a big loss. Two trades that I did based on emotions and gut, which is still something I'm trying to work on because trading should be very mechanical and no emotions involved. And I'm going to go through those two trades and show that to you. But basically for the week, our net loss is $1,707.52. So quite a significant loss for what I'm trying to achieve here. But hey, it happens, and how we improve next week determines our growth and how we improve in our trading, essentially. So my goal is to be able to show you how we did daily based on our statement review, and to show you two of the mistakes that I did. So basically, I entered a trade here at 11:35 p.m. and I had intended to short it. And the reason I shorted was basically I saw that the stochastic RSI was trending down. However, the mistake I did was I did not wait for that crossover to occur. So basically, based on the rules of when I enter a trade, a lot more details on the description below, I usually should wait for this crossover to occur. So right here at 12:15 would have been a good entry. But this is one of those one of the mistakes I said, basing it off of emotions, based on the New Year's Eve. What happened is things just went up high really quickly, which was really confusing to me. And again, this is me basing it off of emotions, and that's not what we're doing. We're doing technical analysis trading, so I should be looking at my charts and base it off of that. Anyway, I shorted additional contracts at 12:15. And then another one at 2:05. Don't ask why I was up at 2:05 in the morning. But anyway, this was actually, eventually, it was a good trade, because if you look right here, when it opened at 6:30, it basically kept, the market kept going down, and I didn't want to be greedy. So I actually locked in profits about $300 to $400 earlier on in the morning. And this is where the second mistake occurred. I never want to be greedy, so I wanted to lock it in. But here is the really stupid thing I did. Again, I based it off of emotions. I was like, that dropped way too quickly. That doesn't make sense. The market seems to want to go up. So I opened a position here to go long. So I wasn't following the trend, so I broke the rule there. There was nothing in the MACD that told me I should go long. And essentially, that was my first mistake on a Monday, and I ended up holding it on a Tuesday. And thankfully, I broke even and a little bit of profit right here on a Wednesday. So that was 2 days, and that can be very problematic because I'm day trading, I'm not swing trading. And that put me in a very uncomfortable situations that I normally don't like to be in. And that's graphically showing you what happened there. But thankfully, I didn't take a loss there. But if you understand futures, you have mark to market at 115. So if it's an unrealized profit or unrealized loss, it considers it realized right at 115. Yeah, so I wanted to show you the statement review for the entire week itself, just to give you our total. So essentially here on a Friday, we ended with $14,125.82. Let's subtract what we started with. I'm gonna put a parenthesis here actually. So what we started with was $18,833.34. However, we did withdraw $1,000, as you can see here on January 3rd, $1,000, and then we withdrew again today, $2,000. Oops, minus $2,000. Close that, and that gives you essentially what our net loss for the week is. So again, right here, the first value is our ending cash, and here our starting cash. I withdrew, of course, the money that I subtracted the money that we withdrew, which gave us a net profit of net loss. I wish it was a profit. Net loss of $1,707.52. And yeah, that concludes our week 1 of 2021. I'm hoping for a better week next week. Hopefully on my next video, I'll be showing you that we, in the green, hopefully. Thank you for watching my video. Please let me know if you have any suggestions that could improve my trading. I'm trying to do this to see if it can replace a normal income and to be able to pay for my bills. Please check out the description below. That tells you the rules that I try to follow when I enter or exit a trade, which unfortunately I did not do this week, but I'm hoping next week it'll be a much better week for week number 2 and be able to show you something valuable that makes you want to say, hey, I can do this too. Anyway, again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Please don't use it as an investment advice. If you learned something, please subscribe. If not, please give me another chance and watch more videos, and maybe I can convince you to subscribe to my channel. All right, till next time. Thank you.